Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the LinkedIn Ads platform and how it basically works. So LinkedIn Ads is a product of LinkedIn where it gives you advertising services. With the help of it, you can create a ads account and build digital ads, online ads, which you can then show it to your targeted users. So this is going to be another platform, which is where we're able to do a lot of online advertising and bring traffic to our website and generate sales or leads out. Now, there are different ways of doing targetings over here. So you'll get to see in this course specifically that in this particular platform, you're able to target people based on location, job function, fields of study, years of experience. So different types of targeting options which we'll get to use on this particular platform. So let's see a live example of what we are referring to as LinkedIn ads. So when we go on LinkedIn, like this is my LinkedIn right now, and you can see over here, this is a particular ad, LinkedIn for marketing. How do I know this is an ad? It says over here, promoted. So this gives us a clarity that this is a LinkedIn ad showing up on my feed. Another example is this one, which you can see, which says enjoy 50% off on 2 months of LinkedIn Premium. Another ad of LinkedIn, which is showing up over here. So this is how the ads are going to look like. Now, how it usually works over here is that LinkedIn is going to target those users who are already a member of the LinkedIn network. We are only going to target people within the LinkedIn network and try to show our ads. So let's see now how you can very easily open a LinkedIn ads account as well, and you can set it up. So for setting up a LinkedIn ads account, there are two ways of doing it. One is you can come on LinkedIn over here, and on the top right corner, you can see it says advertise. So you can click on advertise, and that will take you to the ad creation process. So let's have a look at this. So it will straight away take us to the LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager page. And this is where we can create an account. So this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is you can search for LinkedIn marketing and come to their official website. You can see this is their official website, which says marketing with LinkedIn ads, digital marketing on LinkedIn. And you will come to their main page. And this is where we can create an ad. So if you click on this, this will again bring us to the same campaign manager page over here. So this is where finally you will end up. You can choose any ways. If you already have a LinkedIn ads account, it makes it all the more easier. Just we have to click on advertise and we come up here. Otherwise, you can go through LinkedIn marketing homepage. Now, once you are here, we can create the account. They're going to ask you for specific information. So here you can give the information. Let's say we're going to say give the account name. You can also set your currency. And then you can associate a LinkedIn page if you have any. You can create that and put it out here, or you can put it later on as well. It's not mandatory at this moment. And you can agree to the terms and conditions and save. So this will open up your LinkedIn ads account for yourself. Now we are inside a LinkedIn ads account. As you can see, this is going to be the interface, the home page of it. And from here, we'll start the whole process of creating campaign groups, campaigns, ads, everything. I hope this makes sense. I hope people understand, everybody understands the process of how to open a LinkedIn ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this session, and I will see you in the next video.